Is it recording?
Yep.
Oh, it shows.
That's it, yeah.
What's up, guys? Today's the final day of hitting the mountains. We're all exhausted. This is day number 4. But it's been good. Mountain's been brutal. I messed up my shoulder. Christian almost turned into a quadriplegic. Cole fell multiple times yesterday, so it's been good out here. It's absolutely freezing. Christian, do you have anything to say?
We're going to the casino tonight.
Tomorrow.
Tonight.
We kind of did this thing called picking up a gambling addiction while we've been here. Cole's been so lovely packing up the car every single day. Thank you, Cole. We appreciate it.
Of course.
We'll catch you at the gas station for morning eats. Peace.
Add Mavericks now. Stopping to get some grub. Back in the car. Got the food. Time to rip. Made it, baby. Let's go.
What's up, guys? We're out here at Eldora. Brutal day. Almost blizzarding outside. I'm already cold. We just got here. Kind of want to go home, but we got to rip a little bit for y'all. Enjoy.
No sends today. It's going to be a nice mellow day. Hope you guys enjoy.
Alright. Taking the Alpenglow lift to start. Probably gonna head right over to the transfer. Isn't that sick? Yeah. I want you to know that there's days where it's really not even close to this bad. There's days where it's sunny and feels warm and it's really, really nice and cozy. You're just in the middle of a storm cycle. Alright, so we're gonna take Jolly Jug down this way to Sundance so we can keep lapping the park area. See how it is. This is awesome. It feels good. I got you. Look at that assistance. We have found the Woodward Park.
Dude, that was pushing down.
I know. So, little change of plans. Michael and Christian were too sore. They wanted to be done, so they just headed back to the car. I'm only gonna rip a couple laps. I'll probably I'll probably leave the footage pretty raw just to show you guys what it's really like out here. It's super cold, super windy. Visibility is pretty awful. But I'm gonna try to take a few runs through the park with the helmet mount, and we'll see how it goes. Unfortunately, Christian took the selfie stick back, which I didn't realize. So no selfie stick footage today. That is sticky. Nice little straight air, felt good. Can't do any of these features, don't know how. Alright, that's a pretty chill first lap. Felt nice. I might try one of the outer runs just to see. Just want to see kind of what's over there. I've never been here, so probably end up coming with that trail next run. But first run, pretty smooth. See how the next two go. Lap number 3. Gonna swing out wide, do one of the blue runs this time. Just do a little bit of carving, get my legs a little bit more warm, and then we'll probably hit like 2 or 3 more laps, and then we will call it a day. I don't want to leave Michael and Christian in the car alone, stranded here while they wait for me. So we'll make it quick, but we'll make it count. We're gonna make it awesome.
I might be mindless, I might be mindless, but I ain't lifeless, but I ain't lifeless.
Crazy conditions out today, huh?
I don't know. It's the first time I've been here. So
Yeah, me too. Me too.
I'm from Michigan, so
Oh,
it's
super cool, man.
definitely have had great experiences so far here.
Good stuff, man. Well, you enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you too.
I appreciate you.
Buddy.
All right, let's take another lap through the park. See how this is. Oh, I mean, can't see anything. What is this, Fox? Oh, that's sticky. Let's try a grab variation here. Oh, barely even touched it, but whatever. Thank you. All right, another lap in the book. Very quick laps. Doesn't seem to be a lot of vertical. The lifts definitely don't go super high up. The park is really nice for sure, but the visibility is so low. It's just kind of, it's a little scary. So I'm gonna take 2 more runs. I'll do 1 or 2 more laps through the park, and then I'll take Alpenglow up to the top, and we'll do a longer run to finish it off. Oh my gosh, these conditions are insane. I don't know how well it's coming through on camera, but the visibility is so bad. I mean, I can't see more than probably like 200 feet in front of me. So bad. This is what the jumps look like if you can see them through these trees. super hard to see like the undulations in the snow, kind of where the bumps are and stuff. So I've been hitting this first jump. I've been going, you know, not super big on it, but I've been getting a nice little clearance, so that's been nice. But it's just, I mean, it's so tough to see. Look at this wind. Wow. Oh, how sick is that? Little teepee area. I want to give a major shout out to Lucas Catania. Awesome rad skier from Utah, does van life, travels all around. He gave me some feedback on a recent video of mine to incorporate some more raw footage. You know, play less music, let you hear the raw sounds of me snowboarding. So I'm gonna start trying to do that, incorporate that a little bit more. Let me know what you guys think. But for now, we're gonna do one more run through the terrain park, get over to the big side of the mountain, and we will cruise it out. Oh my God, so sticky. Make sure everything's tight. I think I'm just gonna go for a big in between the board grab right here. It's just so low visibility. I'm scared to practice new things because I can't really see too much. Yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, baby, that was smooth. Hey baby, cruise. Alright squad, like I said, crazy day at Eldora, crazy conditions. I hope that park was pretty good. Try to throw in a couple groomers as well. But had an awesome day. Wish it was sunny, wish it was a little bit warmer, but you gotta take what you can get. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace!